Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins on RHEL 9. The process is same for all RHEL 9 versions. Open web browser, go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. See, the leading open source automation server, Jenkins provides hundreds of plugins to support building, deploying and automating any project. Okay, so first click on documentation, then installing Jenkins, then select Linux. See here, Jenkins supports on Debian or Ubuntu, Fedora, Redhat, Alma and RHEL Linux. These are the minimum hardware requirements. These are the recommended hardware requirements, and the only software requirement is Java. Let us open terminal and verify whether we have Java or not. Open terminal. Type Java -- version. See, we don't have Java. Type no. So open this Java requirements in new tab. See, the supported Java versions are 11, 17 or 21. Okay. So we are going to install the Java JDK 17, or simply go to click on this download. See here, this is the stable version and this is the weekly version. Scroll down, then click on RHEL, Fedora, Alma, Linux, RHEL or CentOS. Click on it. See, these are the commands needs to be run to install the Jenkins on Red Hat. So copy these commands one by one. See, no need to install Java. We just need to run these commands to install Java. Okay. Go to terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user. Let me increase the font. Run this. Now import this Jenkins key, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now we have to install this Java 17 OpenJDK. Copy it, sudo, then paste that command. Paste it, hit enter. Type I for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed Java JDK, Java 17 OpenJDK. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now install Jenkins by running the command sudo m install Jenkins. Hit enter. Type I for confirmation. See, it is going to install the stable version 2.462. Hit enter. We have successfully installed Jenkins. See, these are the commands. We can also get the same commands. If you go to Linux, then select RHEL. See here, we got the same commands. Now we have to run this sudo systemctl daemon reload. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now verify the status of Jenkins. Systemctl status Jenkins. See, we have installed Jenkins, but it is not started and disabled. Q to quit, Ctrl A to clear screen. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Now verify the status of Jenkins again. See, Jenkins service is running. Now we have to enable this service. Sudo systemctl enable Jenkins. It is done. Now we have to connect to Jenkins. See here, this is the link to connect to Jenkins. Okay. You can get, this is the password for Jenkins. See, this is the password. Okay. Q to quit. Now go to new tab, localhost, give the port number 8080, hit enter. Now we have to get the initial admin password by going to this file. Copy this one, sudo more, paste that file with the path, hit enter. See, this is the same. See, here also we got the same one, both are same. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. Not now. Now see here, we have to customize the Jenkins. Install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. At this moment I am going to install suggested plugins. Later if you want to add more plugins, you can add after connecting. So click on install suggested plugins. See, plugins installation has been started. This may take time. Now we have to create the first admin account. It is not mandatory, you can skip and continue as admin also. But it is better to create the admin account. Now provide the username. Then provide the full name. Then provide the email. It can be anything. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL which needs to be used to connect to Jenkins. Then click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard. If you want to log out, click on log out. Then log in with administrator, that which we have created. Then provide the password of this account. See, we got the same dashboard. If you want to create new item, you have to click on here. See, then here we have to select the type of the item. If you want to go back to dashboard. Now if you want to see the build history, you have to click on here. If you want to manage Jenkins, click on here. Now click on plugins. See, you want to see the available plugins, click here. Then select the plugins like Java Mail. Then select it. Then you have to click on install. If you want to see the installed plugins, click on this install plugins. See, these are the installed plugins. If you want to see advanced settings, click on here. Okay, so go back to dashboard. If you want to create a job, you have to click on here. If you want to set up an agent, you have to click on here. Okay, so if you want to see the administrator properties, configure. If you want to reset the password, you have to go to bottom. Then here you need to set the password and confirm the password. Then you have to click on save. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Now give the same localhost port number 8080, hit enter. See, we are unable to connect because Jenkins is stopped. Now start it again. Use the same command, just replace the stop with start. Hit enter. Check the status. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, it is running. Q to quit. Now reload this page again or try again, or click on this reload button. Then provide the same username and password. If you want to log out, click on log out. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins on RHEL. For more Jenkins videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.